Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Bath and Body Work haul. I'm standing up because it's in my chair right now, and I was gonna put it away and almost forgot to do a video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the video. This is the $9.50 sale that they had on December 7th. They finally delivered, so I have them here. I'm excited, but I'm ready to start packing them up and sending them out to the teachers and things of that nature. So I'm just going to rush a little bit, but I do apologize. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. Christmas is right around the corner, so hopefully it's uploaded before the new year. We'll see. And I will talk to you guys very soon. So I'm going to just go down the line of what I got. Okay, everything came up to like $96, $98, 2, 4, 6. And I got 9 candles this time around. And yes, I have finished the candles that I had before. They're completely are all gone, and I don't have stacks of anything, so I'm able to just replace these or restock these. Okay. First one that I got, let's put this on the first one that I got is Bath and Body Works Gather. Right here, this is the first time I've ever picked this up. Oh, this smells amazing. This smells like my tree from years ago when I used to get the real one before the children. That smells, Gather smells really good. Oh my gosh. Very earthy, outdoors type of scent. Alright. This is a beautiful display. This must be the sweater weather because it looks like a sweater weather. This is one of my favorite candles. This doesn't go anywhere. It smells exactly the same. That stays right. It doesn't get gifted anywhere. It stays with me. The third one is 1,000 Wishes. 1,000 Wishes. Beautiful display. It smells like it has gardenia in it. But it's nice. It's very spring-like. This is the first time. I've always heard amazing things about the Japanese cherry blossom. I've never got the candle. I had got the spray, the linen spray. And, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I've never picked up any of the other products, the lotion, the shampoo, or anything. But that smells lovely. And I used to hear people talk about it nonstop. How they love the Japanese blossom. And I was like, let me go ahead and pick it up since I'm looking at it. Sorry that you guys can't see my head. I'm standing, so I apologize. Alright. Oh, it's so pretty. Beautiful design. This is citrus and spice. I can smell the citrus, the lemon. This one smells pretty normal. I think I'll probably have it in the kitchen light up. Oh, okay. This is White Barn's Paris Cafe. It does smell like Paris, like one of the places that I used to, well, I only went to Paris twice. But this smells really, really amazing. It smells like a cafe. It smells like you're going down the street, not too far from the Eiffel Tower, and you're about to pick up a croissant. Really, really nice. Let's see. We got 3 more to go. Beautiful design, beautiful display. This is Ballerina Rose, White Barn. How does this smell like yarn? Very light, very airy, very safe. Something that you probably could put in a baby's room. It doesn't give out a strong fro of any kind, so it will be a nice scent to have around babies, I guess. Alright, beautiful design. This is the Watermelon Lemonade by White Barn. I can smell the lemon. It's something for spring, nice and refreshing. And the final one, is Unicorn Sprinkles. Okay. I don't know what it smells like. Fluffy cotton candy, rainbow candy drops, sugared lemon, and essential. That's probably what I don't know. Stuff that I don't consume unless the fair is coming. Alright, you guys, and that was my candle haul. I hope you guys enjoy the holidays. It is going by super fast, and I'm just trying to keep up at this time. I'll talk to you guys very soon.